Bonjour! Hello! Okay, I'm just going to make a quick little video. I just made another perfume video, so that will probably be following this. But anyway, I just wanted to make a quick video because I kind of took a little break from everything from YouTube, and I just kind of I was going through a little bit of a dark phase, dark patch. I feel like I kind of now, in the metaphorical death and destruction, I now feel sort of reborn, but I feel like this really goes with spring energy. I mean, if you think about spring is about rebirth, and I always think, definitely I would associate Persephone greatly with spring, and I think she represents everything that I've been feeling, both that creation and destruction thing. So yeah, but I just kind of want to make a quick little video, just sort of like a talking video, because I feel like I'm wanting to sort of rebrand per se, I don't know, but I'm feeling good. I'm feeling, definitely I was feeling very, very bad the past couple of weeks, but I've definitely been, this month I am now in a better space, and I have kind of a renewed energy for sure, and I want to, I have a lot of ideas for videos I want to make, so yeah, I want to do kind of like beauty related, kind of like self-help-ish, and like spiritual. I've been really, so a theme that has definitely popped up for me right now is dark feminine energy. So I kind of want to play that into my channel, but instead of being super absorbed in my light or dark, I definitely want to find a balance, and I think the light should be a little more predominant, as it is. Like if you look at my persona on here, it's usually a pretty light feminine, you could say, but my dark feminine is very much a part of me, and I want to kind of allow her to play a bit more because I'm very multifaceted, and yeah, but anyway, I don't know, this is just kind of scratching the surface with what I've been feeling lately, all of the thoughts and things. But I also just kind of wanted to do like a little outfit like of the day thing, little look. Okay, so I have a ring light. So this is like the third video I've made with a ring light. I don't know, something, second time I've used it, but yeah, so I have a ring light. I'm actually using like, I don't know what kind of, like a cooler color. I don't know, so let me know if you like it, if it looks better. I kind of am a little self-conscious about it. I don't like having bright light on me, so I don't know how I feel about it. So yeah, let me know. I'm very hot. It's very hot here in Florida. I'm gonna be going to the gym, so I don't know why I feel like kind of like, I don't know, nervous while I'm recording. Just a little anxious. I'm not speaking as well as I would like to be, but I'm just kind of trying to throw this in. But anyway, so this is my outfit. So I got this new shirt. It came yesterday. I got it on Depop. I don't remember the seller's name, but I'll definitely put it. Support your Depop sellers, like me, Kittenishly on Depop. But anyway, yeah. So I got this. It's a Forever 21 Precious Moments collaboration, and it's so cute. I was like, I need more black. I need more dark because everything in my wardrobe is like pink and pastel. So I like this because it's black, but it's got precious moments, and it says blessed, and it's just like, it's that balance of dark and light, I feel. So that's kind of what I want to start striving for in myself is definitely a balance. But yeah, so I thought this was super cute and I'm wearing it today for the gym, and I'm excited to go back to the gym and actually feel good because I took a little rest for a couple days. There's a new gym challenge starting, so I need to get on that, and yeah, so I'm just excited to get back to the gym. Upper body day, that's why I like to wear a tank top for upper body day. So yeah, I have this shirt and then this necklace, like angel, but kind of like, you know, chain, so it's kind of like edgy. I got this from Romwe, I think, years ago. And then I have these little angel. Since I already have everything on, I can't really like show it individually, but I have these angel wings earrings that were, they're like vintage, like 80s or 90s. They were my grandma's. And I just did like braids. I don't know, I thought it would be kind of cute, and I feel like the hair adds a little bit to the mystique of the dark feather. And I did my makeup, which was fun. I enjoyed doing it, even though I don't do my makeup a lot and whatever. But yeah, so I did this kind of like soft, dark, feminine look because I don't like super dark makeup, so it's kind of like just a little bit. But I'm really happy with it. I really like it. So that's just my look for today. It's not my full look. I still have to finish getting my. But anyway, this keeps shutting off, so that's all I'm gonna say. Alright, how perfect are these to go with my look today? Says Angelica. Can you see my whole outfit? Okay, I am ready for the gym, and I just wanted to share the book that I'm currently reading, The Revolt of the Angels. Yeah, I've been reading a lot lately as well, so I don't know, I'm just kind of sharing random things. Alright, I am just about ready to go to the gym, and my camera is going to die, and yeah, so I've gotta just go. Right. Okay, if I don't talk to you later, bye. Thank you for watching. Tell your friends.